guys, it's Shalene and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a smoky eye tutorial. I am not a makeup artist, nowhere near that in fact. I just do this makeup stuff for fun. And I've been practicing, kind of fooling around with it a little bit, and I think that I got it down just enough to show you how I personally do a smoky eye. So the products I will be using today are this NYX Ultimate palette. Then I have this Smashbox Admire Me eyeshadow palette. And yes, so those are the palettes. And then for highlighter I will be using this e.l.f. White Gold highlighter. And I have this e.l.f. brush set, and the brushes I will be using from there are the eyeshadow C brush, so it's flat, and then the detail crease brush, and then the eye contour brush, and lastly the small precision brush. Okay, so now that we have all of our brushes and palettes, let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to pick a base color. So I think today, let's go big or go home. So I'm going to use this kind of gold color in the Smashbox Admire Me palette. And I'm just gonna douse that with my big eyeshadow brush. So, and we're gonna apply that all over the lid. And a little trick I have is to find your crease and kind of go around with the brush, and then once that's filled in, you just kind of wave your brush around the rest of the lid. So that's pretty good. I'll do the other eye. Let's do both eyes at the same time. So same thing. And then I'm just going to use the magnifying side of my mirror. I have a mirror here. And yeah. So that's that. And then with the NYX palette, I'm going to get this black. And I know it's very scary using black, but we will make it less intense. So I'm just going to use my detail crease brush and get a fair amount of the black on there. And what you're going to do is you're going to, on the outer corner, start in the middle and just kind of wave it and go up and down. And you can curl into the brow bone area, or you can just stay in the outer corner. And you just kind of stipple it on. And yes, that is very loud, very there. So then you're going to take the contour brush and you're going to go in small circular motions, just like that. And then if it is too high, I just take a corner of my makeup wipe and I just kind of clean it up. No big deal. It's like a makeup eraser, and then you can blend in the shade from your lid. You can bring in the black to your lid, whichever you like, but I like it like that, so I'm just gonna do the other eye real quick. Okay, so now that we have done that, I think they look pretty similar. Just gonna fall out there. Okay, So I personally have been really into the inner corner highlights. So you're going to take your small precision brush and you're just going to get a fair amount of highlighter on there and just kind of tap it in. And then once you get the amount tapped in, you're just gonna go down ever so slightly to kind of round it with your eye. And then again on the other side. Something I do, and I know it's a little crazy, but you don't even tap out the extra. You kind of just put it all on. And that can be a little much, yes, but because I wear glasses, it's like you need 2 times as much so that people can see what you've done. So there's that. And if you really want, you can also blend that out, but I like mine shiny. So then, with this same brush, or without the brush, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. Now, I bought a this eyeliner pen. Shake it up. And it's one of those ones that you can make the wing bigger, so that is a little bit problematic for me personally. So what I do is I take this small precision brush. I'm gonna take this brush and just kind of swipe it both ways onto the pen. And this is if you kind of suck at using the pen, because I do. So once you have a fair amount on there, just going to apply it like you normally would. So once you have finished your eyeliner, I kind of just did my other eye off camera because that was a little tricky. Anyways, once that is done, it is time for the mascara. I love use mascara quite a bit. And before I had eyeliner, sometimes I would just put mascara on as my eye makeup. I know a lot of people do that. And it actually worked for me if we were just going out. But I know that it's not, oh boy, I ramble. I just put on mascara in the most basic way, like I don't really have a trick. So, I apply mascara to my bottom and top lashes. I think that way you have equal volume, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else there is to an eye look. We have the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, the mascara, and the inner corner highlights. So yeah, that is the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!